What if I told you there's one simple leaf, just one, that could help lower blood sugar, cut down bad cholesterol, and even shrink stubborn belly fat? Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. Turns out, both ancient wisdom and modern science are pointing to this little-known natural remedy that's been hiding in plain sight. With today's diets full of processed foods and sugar, and inflammation on the rise, especially as we hit 50 and beyond, it's no wonder diabetes, heart disease, and belly fat are so common. But nature's still got our back. In this video, you'll discover one incredible healing leaf you've probably never heard of, plus 10 more that can help regulate blood sugar, clean out your arteries, detox your liver, and help your body burn fat more efficiently. Let's get into the natural healing power of these leaves. Why leaves? Believe it or not, some of the best healing tools aren't in pills or bottles, they're growing in the garden. These leaves are full of antioxidants, fiber, and plant compounds that help balance blood sugar, calm inflammation, and boost fat burning. People have been using them in traditional medicine for centuries. And now, science is finally catching up. Leaf number 1, Holy Basil, Tulsi. Let's kick this off with one of the most powerful leaves in the world of natural medicine, Holy Basil, or Tulsi. This isn't just some random herb from your spice rack. In traditional Indian medicine, Tulsi has been called the queen of herbs for thousands of years, and it absolutely lives up to the title. So what makes it so special? For starters, it's incredibly effective at helping your body manage stress, which is a huge deal if you're trying to lose belly fat or keep your blood sugar under control. When you're stressed, your body produces more cortisol. And cortisol, unfortunately, tells your body to store fat, especially around your midsection. Tulsi helps lower cortisol naturally, which helps break that cycle. It's also been shown to reduce blood sugar spikes after meals, giving you steadier energy throughout the day and helping your body avoid that crash and store pattern so many of us are stuck in. That alone makes it a must-have if you're managing prediabetes, diabetes, or just trying to stay energized without relying on caffeine or sugar. And there's more. Holy Basil supports heart health by lowering bad cholesterol, LDL, and helping protect your arteries from plaque buildup. So it's not just about weight, it's about long-term wellness. You can brew it as a tea, toss fresh leaves into a salad, or even add it to soups. However you use it, Holy Basil is a calming, healing powerhouse that supports your whole system. Leaf number 2, Oregano. You probably know oregano as the herb you sprinkle on pizza or pasta, but it's way more than just a kitchen staple. Oregano is packed with powerful compounds, especially carvacrol and thymol, that act like tiny bodyguards for your heart, blood vessels, and metabolism. These antioxidants help fight off oxidative stress, which is one of the root causes of inflammation in the body. And when you've got chronic inflammation, it becomes harder to manage your weight, your blood sugar spikes more often, and your cholesterol tends to drift in the wrong direction. That's where oregano steps in. It's like a cleanup crew for your arteries, helping reduce plaque and supporting better blood flow. But what really makes oregano stand out is its ability to boost metabolism and support fat breakdown. Research shows that the active compounds in oregano can stimulate enzymes that break down stored fat, particularly in the belly area. That's a huge plus if you're over 50 and noticing the weight isn't coming off like it used to. The best part? It's super easy to use. Dried or fresh, just sprinkle it on vegetables, soups, or meat dishes. You can even steep it into a tea if you want a more direct approach. The flavor is bold, but the health benefits are even stronger. So next time you reach for the oregano, don't think of it as just a seasoning, think of it as a fat-burning, heart-protecting, metabolism-supporting plant ally. Leaf number 3, Parsley. You've seen it sitting quietly on the side of your plate, often ignored or tossed aside. But parsley, especially curly parsley, is more than just a garnish. It's a powerful healing leaf that's doing way more for your body than most people realize. First off, parsley is one of the best natural diuretics out there. That means it helps flush out excess water, sodium, and toxins through the kidneys. If you're feeling bloated or dealing with water retention, especially in the belly or legs, parsley can help reduce that puffiness in a natural, gentle way. It doesn't just make you feel lighter, it actually helps reduce the burden on your heart and blood pressure too. It's also amazing for liver support. The liver plays a huge role in metabolizing fat and breaking down toxins. When your liver is sluggish or overworked, it stores fat, often around your waist. Parsley gives your liver the push it needs to work more efficiently, helping your body break down fats and get rid of what it doesn't need. Nutritionally, parsley is a heavy hitter. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and K, along with important minerals like magnesium, potassium, and iron. That means better immunity, stronger bones, and healthier blood flow. Toss it into green smoothies, blend it into juices, chop it into soups, or throw a handful into salads. However you use it, parsley is one of the easiest ways to support your kidneys, liver, and belly naturally. Leaf number 4, lemon balm. Lemon balm might look like your average garden herb, but it packs a serious punch when it comes to healing. With its light citrus scent and calming properties, it's often used to help with sleep or relaxation, but there's a lot more going on beneath the surface. One of lemon balm's standout benefits is how it helps with blood sugar. It improves insulin sensitivity, which is a fancy way of saying it helps your body use sugar more effectively. That means fewer sugar spikes and crashes, less fat storage, and better energy throughout the day. If you're managing type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance, this leaf can be a game changer. Another huge perk? Lemon balm helps lower cortisol, the stress hormone that tells your body to hold onto belly fat. If you're constantly stressed, it's likely showing up in your waistline. Lemon balm works gently with your nervous system to calm things down, making it easier for your body to burn fat and stay in balance. On top of that, lemon balm supports heart health by lowering LDL, bad cholesterol, and calming inflammation in your digestive system. It helps ease bloating and gas, especially if you tend to feel uncomfortable after eating. The easiest way to use it is as tea. Steep a few leaves in hot water and sip in the evening, or mix it with peppermint and holy basil for an extra soothing blend. Lemon balm is the kind of herb that helps you feel better from the inside out. Leaf number 5, dandelion. Most people see dandelion as a weed and try to get rid of it. But believe it or not, this so-called nuisance is actually one of the most powerful healing plants out there, especially when it comes to detox, digestion, and fat metabolism. The real magic of dandelion starts in the liver. Your liver is your body's detox center. It's responsible for breaking down fats and filtering out toxins. But when your liver gets overwhelmed by poor diet, medications, or stress, it starts to slow down. That's when fat builds up, especially around the belly. Dandelion helps get the liver back on track, promoting better fat breakdown and toxin removal. It also has natural compounds that help lower LDL cholesterol and reduce plaque buildup in your arteries, which supports better blood flow and heart health. Plus, dandelion is a strong anti-inflammatory. If your body is dealing with inflammation, which often comes with obesity or blood sugar issues, this leaf helps calm things down so your system can function better. Dandelion is also a mild diuretic, helping your body flush out excess water and sodium, which eases bloating and reduces blood pressure. You can drink dandelion as a tea. It's a bit bitter but goes well with a slice of lemon or some mint. Or cook the greens just like you would spinach. However you use it, dandelion is a humble plant that does heavy lifting for your liver, heart, and metabolism. Leaf number 6, mango leaf. We all know mangoes are delicious, but most people have no idea that the leaves of the mango tree are a hidden health treasure. Mango leaves have been used for centuries in natural medicine, and modern research is starting to confirm what traditional healers have known all along: they're amazing for blood sugar and metabolism. The key compound in mango leaves is called mangiferin. It's a powerful antioxidant that helps improve how your body uses insulin. That means less sugar floating around in your bloodstream and more getting used for energy instead of being stored as fat, especially in stubborn areas like the belly. Mango leaves also help calm inflammation, which is a big deal if you're dealing with insulin resistance or metabolic syndrome. When your body's inflamed, everything works harder, and not in a good way. You feel more sluggish, gain weight more easily, and struggle with sugar crashes. These leaves help turn that cycle around. They've also been shown to help lower LDL cholesterol and support heart health, which makes them a solid all-around choice if you're focused on aging well and staying fit after 50. The easiest way to use mango leaves is to steep the dried version into tea. The taste is pretty mild, especially if you mix it with something like cinnamon or holy basil. You can also find them in powdered form at health stores or online. Start slow, stay consistent, and watch how this little-known leaf can gently support your blood sugar, energy, and waistline. Leaf number 7, olive leaf. If there's one leaf that stands out from the rest, it's olive leaf. This is the one people often call a miracle leaf, and for good reason. It's got a long history of use in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern medicine, and now modern science is catching up, showing just how effective it is for blood sugar, cholesterol, and weight loss. One of its biggest strengths is how it supports insulin sensitivity. That means your body gets better at processing glucose, so less of it gets turned into fat, and more of it gets used for energy. If you're dealing with type 2 diabetes or just trying to avoid sugar crashes, olive leaf is worth adding to your daily routine. It's also incredibly good for your heart. Olive leaf helps reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, increases HDL, good cholesterol, and keeps your arteries more flexible and clear. That means better circulation and less risk of heart attack or stroke, huge benefits, especially as we age. But what's really impressive is its anti-inflammatory power. Chronic, low-grade inflammation is one of the biggest reasons people hold onto belly fat, even when they're eating well and exercising. Olive leaf helps calm that internal fire and makes it easier for your body to let go of stored fat. You can drink it as tea, take it in capsules, or use a liquid extract. However you get it, olive leaf is one of the most powerful natural tools for keeping your metabolism sharp and your heart healthy. Leaf number 8, peppermint. You probably think of peppermint as a nice flavor in gum, tea, or toothpaste, but behind that cool taste is a powerful medicinal leaf that does way more than just freshen your breath. One of peppermint's secret superpowers is boosting metabolism. Its natural compounds stimulate the body in a way that helps burn more calories, even when you're resting. That's especially helpful if you're over 50 and feeling like your metabolism has slowed to a crawl. But peppermint isn't just about burning calories, it also plays a big role in balancing blood sugar. It helps reduce the highs and lows that can leave you tired, hungry, and craving sugar. That makes it a helpful leaf if you're trying to manage diabetes or just keep your energy stable throughout the day. And let's talk digestion. Peppermint is fantastic for anyone dealing with bloating, gas, or sluggish digestion. It helps relax the muscles in your digestive tract, making it easier for your body to break down food and absorb nutrients. That means less discomfort, better gut health, and more energy. Peppermint also helps support heart health by nudging your cholesterol levels in the right direction, lowering the bad, LDL, and supporting the good, HDL. It's incredibly easy to use. Drink it as tea, add fresh leaves to your water or smoothies, or sprinkle some chopped leaves into a salad. However you enjoy it, peppermint is one of the most refreshing and effective natural remedies out there. Leaf number 9, Oroponibus, Orura onobus. You've probably never heard of Oroponibus, or Orura onobus, as it's sometimes called, but this lesser-known plant is a true nutritional powerhouse. While it might not be a household name, its benefits are right up there with the most popular healing herbs. What makes Oroponibus special is its impressive fiber content, especially soluble fiber. That's the kind of fiber that helps slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. So instead of spiking and crashing, your blood sugar levels stay more even, which is a big deal if you're managing diabetes or prediabetes. It's also high in plant-based protein, which helps control hunger and build lean muscle mass. When you combine protein and fiber, you get a powerful combo for fat loss, especially that stubborn weight that tends to sit around your belly. Another big benefit? Oroponibus helps flush out LDL cholesterol by binding to it and pulling it out through digestion. Cleaner arteries, better circulation, and a healthier heart all come with it. And like many of the other healing leaves we've talked about, it's anti-inflammatory. Chronic inflammation makes it harder to burn fat and easier to gain weight. Oroponibus helps calm the system so your body can do what it's supposed to do. It's easy to use too, just toss the leaves into soups, stir-fries, juices, or salads. Its flavor is mild, so it won't overpower your food. Give it a try, you might be surprised by how much of a difference it makes. Leaf number 10, Sage. Sage might be known for flavoring your Thanksgiving stuffing, but this herb has a lot more to offer, especially when it comes to metabolism, hormones, and overall health. If you're over 50 and feeling like your body isn't bouncing back the way it used to, sage might be just what you need. One of its strongest benefits is fighting inflammation. And that's huge, because chronic inflammation plays a sneaky but major role in insulin resistance, stubborn belly fat, and even heart disease. Sage helps calm that internal stress so your body can function more smoothly. It also plays a direct role in glucose control. Research shows that sage can improve how your body responds to insulin, helping you use sugar for energy instead of storing it as fat. That means more stable energy levels, fewer cravings, and a lower risk of blood sugar-related issues. Sage is also great for appetite regulation. If you're constantly feeling hungry, even after meals, sage can help by balancing hormones related to hunger and fullness. You end up eating less without feeling deprived. It also helps with cholesterol, lowering LDL and supporting HDL, which is great for your heart. Try it in tea form, or sprinkle it onto vegetables, meats, or even into broths. It adds a rich, earthy flavor and supports your body in more ways than one. Sage may be small, but don't let that fool you. It's a big deal when it comes to healing and metabolic balance. Who should be cautious? Quick heads up, not every herb is for everyone. If you have low blood pressure, talk to your doctor before using peppermint or olive leaf. If you're pregnant, nursing, or on medication, check first. These are natural, but they're still powerful. No single leaf is going to fix everything. But when you use them regularly, they can help your body reset, rebalance, and start burning fat more efficiently. Pair these leaves with healthy eating, movement, and sleep, and you'll see the difference. Start small. A tea here, a salad there. Keep it up, and those small habits can lead to a major transformation. Which of these leaves are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more natural health tips, and share this with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching, and here's to feeling better, one leaf at a time.